Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this mini oscillator sprinkler. This one is a sprinkler that covers over 4,000 square feet. Alright, so today we've received our oscillating sprinkler head. This one is a mini size, but it does a big area up to 4,000 square feet. It's got a flow-through base, allows unit to connection, so you can have more coverage. So first off in here, you do get the base, you get the sprinkler head itself, and then you do get an extra adapters. See these little things, you can go up and down, in and out, you can go left or right, so it'll cover more of the area. This one here just goes right into the base, and then you have other adapters that can adapt to other hose. So you can see right here is the user manual. This user manual tells you that it gets up to 4,000 square feet, which is a lot more distance coverage than any other sprinkler. So you can see that you have control range. You got left or right, up or down. You can do a whole area. You can do a small area, a very sleek area. I like this because it does cover a lot more than my normal sprinkler head. The base is adjustable. You just snap on and snap off. So much like the older ones that they go up and down, this one does the exact same thing, except for this one does give a lot more coverage. So this one is super easy to put together. These are the adapters if you want to use multiple hoses. It is super easy to put together. You just put this here on the top and screw it in and just use finger tight. And at the end it does have the options to add more hoses. This one does have a stopper if you do not want to use it for extra hoses, which I'm not going to. So it just stops it right there. So now we got it finger tight, and then this is where you'll connect your hose. And it's a really nice space. It stays in spot. You don't have to worry about it moving around. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get it ready, and I'm going to take it outside. I'm going to change the different styles so you can move this up or down so it covers more area. And if you move to the side right here, you've got the plus and the minus. This is just to change the water pressure if you want it low or you want it high. So you turn it all the way up to the plus for the highest, the lowest for the lowest. Alright, so we got it on. Right here is the lower pressure, and it is not all the way out. So you can squeeze it all the way out, which covers more of the area. You can see that it's not so much coverage. So now I'm going to change that, and it should go a bit higher. So I've changed the motion to cover more of the angle, plus I've added more pressure to it, so now it's going to cover a lot more. You can see that the water is a lot higher than it was before. So, and you can also change it from left to right. So instead of going back and forth, see now there's a little bit more pressure to it, and it's covering more of the area. All you have to do is push the little yellow things on the side, push them out, and it will cover more of the area. This is a really nice sprinkler head. I like the fact that it covers more of my grass. If you're looking for a nice sprinkler head with a lot more coverage, I would highly recommend checking this one out. And the fact that you can add actually more hoses is a plus.